here is the Olympus OM-1. It's a fully mechanical camera. You can operate without a battery. The battery is for the metering use, and it using one LR44 battery, which is like this, and you put it like at here, then put the battery cap and lock it. Wait on. Okay, like that. And here is the metering on-off button. Next thing, by pulling here to open the back cover. Okay, it's going to be like this. Then pull it and push it fully down. Okay, like that. Because sometimes it might be like this, which means it doesn't have fully down yet, so you need to turn a bit in order to let the rewind knot lock with the film. Then the film tip is you need to hold at here. You just like simply anyone, okay, like that. Then you just wind it and close it. Okay. How to make sure you have loaded the film properly? When you wind the film, look at here. It will wind together, which means that it's okay already. And here is the ISO setting button. You click the silver button at here in order to release, to change it. Yeah. Okay, here got the black line, so you just use the black line to fit with it. Yeah. And here is the shutter speed dial, and outside is the aperture, and the center is the focus. When you shoot, you just like inside the viewfinder, the left side there got the indicator, so you let the needle drop until the middle, which means that the current setting is correct. Yeah, like that. Then for the timer is when you wind, then pull it down the timer and push the black button at here, and we'll start counting. Okay. Then overall it's like this. And this is the focus, so when you look into the viewfinder, the center point here got a circle. Use it to aim and adjust the focus. You will find out at the center point of the circle got a line. When you meet like some line, you will let the object, it will like split or something lah. It will like split, so you just adjust until the focus is let the straight line become aligned together, which means that it's focused already. Yeah. Then overall it's like this, and when you want to take out the lens, switch the lens, you press the button at here and here, press together and twist it anti-clockwise in order to take it out. Okay. Then when you want to put it inside, the red dot match with here, then we just twist clockwise. Yeah. Okay, so here is the mirror lockout button, which is designed for long exposure lah. But normally you just put it at there will do lah. Yeah. And when you should finish the film, you want to rewind, you just twist here, then rewind the film. And here we have an indicator which show how many shots you have took. So at first we rewind the film first. The way to rewind here got it will show you which distance you should go for lah. Yeah. Rewind until suddenly become very loose, which means that you have rewinded. So you just pull it out and take out your film. Take to develop will do. Okay, so overall it's like this. When you didn't use it, take the battery out and off the metering.